Hello and welcome to this next lesson. I hope you are well. In this one, I'm going to talk about a couple of things. First thing is going to be the time of day that you're going to trade. Now, it's very simple. It's actually, it doesn't need to get any more simple than this because I've spoken in the past about it before. But essentially, you want to be trying to take positions, whether they're pending orders or trading in that particular point during the London session and the New York session. You don't have to be present during those times to trade. You could set this before you go to work, and then you can come back. If you're in Australia or whatever, you can set this in the night, and then you can come back. What is important to understand is everything that happens with the news calendar. If you look at most news events, particularly on USD pairs, they are trading during New York sessions or London sessions. These news events just give us volatility in the market. All it means in simple terms is price action is going to move a little bit faster, which in turn would give us a good opportunity to trade. That's essentially what it is. And with the time that we're trading, you're anticipating a move like this one here, for example, which is going to allow you to be part of a bigger move. And that comes down to the time that you're setting your trades. If we look at this particular level here now, this particular setup happened in the New York session. And that's an area from an area of inefficiency. And it's currently in profit if you took it. Which leads me on to the second point, which is your premium and discount levels. Because if we can anticipate, for example, a bias where we would like to see if this is going to move higher or not, we can basically try and understand the likelihood of finding an opportunity. So what we currently have, and this is just happening in front of me now, is price action in a range coming back into a discount level, not only a discount level, but an OTE level as well. Your entry could be at the 71% level. OTE levels exist as deep discount and deep premium areas. The goal of an OTE entry is just to give you a better risk reward. That's the science behind it. You can enter at 61% and you could target that high. You could have entered at 71% and target the same high for a better risk reward. Or you can enter the open of the inefficiency inside the discount area, and you would be able to see that you don't get a bigger risk reward. With a trade down here, you could be running at take profit at break even by now and being completely risk free. That's why the 71% level is a very, very key level for a lot of traders. But nonetheless, what we're looking at is identifying the time of day we want to trade and also identifying whether or not we're in a premium or a discount. This particular candle, this particular inefficiency, again, this was on the commentary channel. I took this. That was not of a discount from a 1 hour view. But I'm not looking at the 1 hour view in this regard. I'm looking at a couple of different things. I'm looking at the 4 hour time frame for a start, not to mention the daily time frame. But if you measure the entirety of this particular range and you are able to